Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the fascinating topic of the placebo effect. But before we dive into it, let's first define what the placebo effect actually is. The placebo effect is a phenomenon where a person experiences a perceived benefit from an inactive substance or procedure, such as a sugar pill, due to their expectations and beliefs. So, what causes the placebo effect? It's a combination of several factors. One of the main causes is the power of suggestion. If a person believes that a certain treatment will work, their brain may respond by releasing endorphins and other chemicals that can help to reduce pain and improve their condition. Another factor is expectation. If a person expects to feel better after taking a pill or receiving a treatment, their brain may respond accordingly, leading to real physical changes in their body. Finally, beliefs play a big role in the placebo effect. If a person believes in the power of a certain treatment, they may be more likely to experience a placebo effect from it. So, there you have it. The placebo effect is caused by a combination of the power of suggestion, expectation, and belief, as well as psychological and physiological processes in the body. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the placebo effect and the factors that cause it. If you found this video informative, be sure to like and subscribe for more great content.